So this is my SAS. Firstly, select solution, analysis, enterprise miner, and now you must create a new project. Name it as my raw data and select a location where you want to save your data, such as desktop. Okay, create. And now this is your new diagram. We name it as my raw. Firstly, put the input data source node. But remember earlier I said that we must have a data either in the form of Excel or SAS data. For this example, we have SAS data. So we must extract the SAS data into the folder that we have created just now. So copy the my raw data and save it inside the M data. Okay, so back to SAS. So input data source. Now select the data that we had saved just now in M data, my raw. Okay, save and open the input data source. Open the variable. We must change the model role of pet into input, PC owner into input also, and target B as target D as rejected. Save. And next, you must put the data partitioning node. The function of data partitioning is to divide our data into a useful data for a train and a validation or test. So in this case, we set train 70, validation 30, and test 0. And next is we must put the replacement node. Next, in replacement node, we must create indicator variable. Function of replacement node is to replace all the missing value that we have. For the interval variable, we must change the card imputation method. Select method, set value into 20, enter. And for the class variable, homeowner, the imputation method, we set value to U, is an unknown. Pet, also we set value into U. And lastly, PC owner, set value into U. Done. Save. And next, we must put the transform variable node. For the transform variable node, we must change the local gift keep, set keep into no, state government set keep into no, federal government set keep into no, card gift also set keep into no, time lag set keep into no. And then all the attribute that we have changed the set keep into no, we change from the role into log. Transfer role into log. Also for the federal government, transform role into log. And don't forget the card gift also transform into log. And last and not least, time lag transform into log. Done. And next we must put the regression node. In the regression node, we must change the selection method into a stepwise, and the criteria is validation misclassification. You want to see? Yes. Name is my_raw. Modification my_raw data. Okay. And lastly, we put the assessment node. So this is the result. And that's all. Thank you.